Hi, Al Williamson here. This is the inside of one of my arbitrage units. It's in a nice little complex. It's a one bed, one bath. Here's a quick tour. So for this particular unit, the rent is $1,500, and with expenses and all, it's about $1,400 per month for us to hang on to this place. We bring in about $2,100, so there's a nice little $700 cushion. And that's what we do. That's how we arbitrage. Now, to make that happen, you gotta have people in here. You gotta know how to market the place so you can keep the place filled. That's the key. That's what people really need to focus on, is the marketing. And there's hope, because that's what we talk about right here. And if you want to know more, you can send me a message. I'd be happy to talk to you, or you can click on the link below.